Good morning, all of you. Welcome in class 7. Okay, I'm your computer teacher. Today we will see topic number 1, computer generations. Open page number 7. 1.3 features of each generations. Today we will see features of each generation. The first generation built using vacuum tubes. The first generation uses vacuum tubes technology. Each generation uses their own technology for smaller, cheaper, and better, comfortable, and more powerful than human. Second one consumed a lot of electrical power. It uses more electric power to start the computer. Vacuum tubes were large in size and generated large amount of heat, so they had to be well spaced out. The size of vacuum tubes are very large. The amount of heat also produces from computer, so they had to well spaced out. Consequently, computers had to be built big and cooled by the huge air conditions. All of you know AC, air conditioned cooler in home. I hope you all know air conditions for cooling the room temperature of your drawing room and bedroom. Okay, open page number 7. Figure 1.4 shows what a vacuum tube circuits left. This is a left and this is right from the racks of the first generation British military computer Colossus. This is a Colossus, right. Put all the vacuum tubes in the racks. Okay, this is used by British military to store the data. Okay, used by British military. Fourth one, hardware failures were frequent and needed constant maintenance. All of you know hardware and software very well. Okay, hardware, if hardware fails, then the computer needs to be does not start, otherwise it may be failure. Okay, it's need of constant maintenance, always needs to check the hardware is properly working or not. In spite of proper air conditioning, the heat caused a frequent burnout of the vacuum tubes. Fifth one, input and output were based on punched cards and paper tapes. Both contain the patterns of holes to represent data and instructions. These are the diagram of punched cards and these are the papers. This is the punched cards. Input and output were based in a punched cards. This is the punched paper cards. Okay. Sixth one, magnetic drum memory was introduced. Information was stored by magnetizing tiny areas by small electromagnet on a rapidly rotating drum. Okay, this is magnetic drum memory developed by IBM 650 is the name. IBM 650 is the name of this machine, but its capacity was very small. It is so small, but it's first used in IBM 650, the most popular computer of the time. This is more used in the past era. Could hold 20,000 digits on a drum, 4 inches in a diameter and 16-inch long. This is a drum. 20,000 digits we can hold, but more than 20,000 we cannot store. Only 20,000 we can store the digits. The consumption time of the fastest computers was in milliseconds. That is, they could perform a few thousands calculation per second. Computers are very faster than humans. Within a 1 second it can calculate millions of seconds, milliseconds. It can calculate faster than human. Okay, tomorrow we will see page number 9. Software technology was primitive, on page number 9. Okay, thank you.